Hi everyone, Noi again, N-O-I. Don't forget, today we're making steak dinner. Today only 4 ingredients: steak, potato, capsicum, or bell pepper. I don't know the way you call it. The important thing you're going to use is marinade. 1 bottle, 12 ingredients. Takes homemade, so easy. Just open the bottle to save you the time. Give it a check. Like magic. Pour in your steak. This one Thai pepper and garlic. So much flavor. You don't have to add the salt. Don't have to add the seasoning. Everything you need is right here in this bottle. Trust Noi. Get the steak good wrapped in marinade. Now I'm going to leave the steak. I'm going to get my vegetable ready. This one very simple. Some potato. This potato I cook a little bit in the water first. That way I cook the same time with the capsicum. You know I know everything. Now the capsicum. Now I'm gonna pour a little bit marinade on top. Extra flavor. Now mix it all up. Oh, gonna be good dinner. A little bit oil. Gonna bake in the oven to nice and cook. Before your vegetable cooking, you can make the steak. A hot pan and add some oil. And the pan nice and hot, I put my steak in. Looking good. Let it cook a little bit first side. Secret, get good color first. Just have a look. Oh, that's nice. That's nice color now, look at that. I'm gonna turn it down heat a little bit till they cook through. Every hour again I turn a little bit. A little bit more marinade while they cook. Looking good. I use the sirloin today. Every steak the family like you use. Oh, the color. Steak in medium rare, that's the way I like. You cook anywhere you like. Take the steak and let it to rest. That's the key for juicy. Now my vegetable. Look at that, so much flavor. Put vegetable on the plate. Now it's steak. Oh, look at that. Make your steak dinner better. Another winner from Noi.